Ever wondered what it's like to be the voice behind your favorite brands on Instagram, YouTube, or even Twitter? Picture yourself crafting viral campaigns, engaging with audiences, and analyzing data to drive success. Sounds exciting, right? That's the world of a social media manager. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video on how to become a social media manager in 2025. This is your ultimate step-by-step guide to breaking into this dynamic field and building a thriving career. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for starting your journey as a social media manager. In this video, you learn about what does a social media manager do, get behind the scenes, look at the daily tasks that make the role so impactful, what skills you need to succeed to become a social media manager, discover the creative and analytical skills that will set you apart, where to find jobs and learn how to land your first role, whether it's a freelancer, intern, or a team member. You'll also learn about which companies are hiring in India and in the US and what salaries you can expect to become a social media manager. This isn't just another career video, it's your complete guide to becoming a social media manager in 2025, a year with endless opportunities in the ever-growing social media industry. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start, the steps to take, and how to stand out in this competitive field. So what exactly is social media management? Social media is the heartbeat of modern marketing. Companies are investing billions to connect with their audiences, and they need experts like you to make it happen. The demand is massive, and there's no better time to start than now. So let's get started and dive into this video. So now let's start by understanding what does a social media manager actually do. A daily life of a social media manager is dynamic, creative, and fast-paced. You're the voice of the brand on digital platforms, and your responsibilities touch every aspect of content creation, audience engagement, and performance analysis. Let's break it down. At first, you have to build and engage audience. Your main objective as a social media manager is to grow followers and increase engagement. This means creating content that resonates with your audience and encourage interaction. For example, if you're managing a clothing brand, you might design Instagram reels showcasing the latest collection or host a fun Twitter QA session to connect with customers directly. It's all about sparking conversations and keeping the brand top of the mind. Second is strategizing content and campaigns. Strategy is at the heart of social media management. You'll align campaigns with marketing goals and find creative ways to captivate your audience. Let's say you're working for a food delivery app. You could organize a contest like Best Food Compos where users share photos of their meals for a chance to win discounts. This might not only engage your audience but also promote user generated content. The third is analyzing data. Social media is a mix of art and science, we all know that. And the science lies in analytics. Tracking metrics like reach, engagement, and follower growth helps you understand what's working and where you can improve. So tools like Google Analytics or Hootsuite makes it easier to measure success. Fourth one we are talking about is posting and monitoring platforms. Consistency is key in social media, and scheduling posts ensures your audience always has fresh content to interact with. But it doesn't stop there. You also need to monitor components, messages, and trends. For example, if a trending hashtag aligns with your brand's identity, jumping in quickly can maximize your visibility and engagement. Fifth one is understanding brand consistency. A strong brand identity is very important, and it's your job to maintain it across all the platforms. Think of Nike's famous tagline, "Just do it." Every post they share, from motivational quotes to campaign videos, it reflects the same tone and style. Your job as a social media manager is to ensure the same level of consistency for your brand. Sixth one is communicating with stakeholders, a very important step. Your work doesn't end on the platform themselves. As a social media manager, you often share performance reports with marketing teams or company leadership. These reports demonstrate how your effort drive results, such as growing followers, increasing engagement, or generating leads. Clear communication ensures that your contributions are understood and appreciated. Now we'll talk about the skills that you need to become a successful social media manager. Becoming a successful social media manager requires a combination of creativity, analytical thinking, and the ability to adapt ever changing trends. At its core, social media is about communication, writing, and copywriting. Your ability to write, engage caption, post, and messages is paramount. Great copywriting isn't just about perfect grammar, it's all about telling a story, sparking curiosity, or evoking emotions that align with your brand. For example, imagine you're managing the account for a skincare brand. A simple post showing a product bottle might not get much attention. But pair it with a caption like glow, like never before a vitamin C serum, say goodbye to dull skin and hello to radiance, shop now, and you have created something that speaks directly to the audience's desires. That's the power of effective copywriting. It's also important to adapt your tone to different platforms. On LinkedIn, a professional tone works best, while Instagram might demand a playful or some trendy approach. The second one we're talking about is having design awareness. Social media is highly visual space, so having an eye for design is very important. Even if you're not a graphic designer, understanding the basics of what makes your post visually appealing, like color schemes, typography, and layout, can help you create scroll stopping content. Let's say you're promoting a new coffee flavor for a cafe. A well designed post featuring a steaming cup of coffee with a bold headline like Pumpkin Spices Back grabs attention immediately. Tools like Canva make it easy to create such designs, but having an inherent sense of balance and aesthetic ensures your post looks polished and professional. The third skill we're talking about is analytics proficiency. Success in social media isn't just about creativity, it's also about results. Understanding and interpreting analytics is crucial to knowing what works and where to improve. This involves using tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Hootsuite to track metrics such as read engagement and follower growth. Imagine you have run two similar posts, one on LinkedIn and another one on Instagram. The LinkedIn post receives a lot of clicks but minimal likes, while the Instagram post has high likes but low clicks. By analyzing this data, you might realize LinkedIn is better for driving traffic, while Instagram is more effective for building brand awareness. These insights can help you tailor future campaigns to maximize results. The fourth on the list is adaptability and timelessness. The world of social media is unpredictable, with trends and algorithms changing constantly. As a social media manager, you need to be quick on your feet and ready to adapt. For example, remember the ice bucket challenge? Social media managers who jumped on this viral trend helped their brands gain massive engagement while contributed to a good cause. On the flip side, posting tone deaf content during sensitive times like major world events can backfire. Staying updated on current events and online conversations is very important of staying ahead in the relevant and avoiding missteps. The fifth skill you need to have is definitely management skill. As you grow in your career, you're likely to find yourself managing a team of writers, designers, and analysts. Strong leadership and communication skills are very important to keep your team motivated and aligned with the brand's goal. For example, suppose you're leading a holiday campaign for a retail brand, you need to design and delegate tasks effectively, assigning the designer to create visuals, while the writer to craft captions, and the analyst to track the campaign's performance. Clear communication ensures everyone understands their role and works cohesively. So, which companies hire social media managers and what salaries do they offer? Let's talk about it in India. Companies and startups like Zomato, Swiggy, tech giants like Infosys, TCS, and e-commerce platform like Flipkart, Amazon regularly hire social media managers. And talking about salaries, entry level roles offer around 3 to 5 lakhs annually, while an experienced managers can earn around 8 lakh to 20 lakh per annum. In the US, companies like Google, Meta, retail giants like Target, Walmart, and even entertainment brands like Disney hire social media managers, and their salaries reflect that. For entry level position, you can expect around $50,000 to $65,000, and as senior managers can earn around $80,000 to $120,000 or more. But now the question arises is how can you become a social media manager? If you're passionate about social media and ready to turn that passion into a career, becoming a social media manager is a fantastic opportunity. However, like in the profession, it requires deliberate steps to build the necessary skills and gain experience. So let's break it down step by step with detailed explanation and examples to guide you. The first step is learning the basics. Social media management is a mix of art and science. You need to understand both the creative side, content creation, storytelling, and the analytical side, such as metrics and strategy. And here's how you can start. You can take online courses. Online courses are a great way to build foundational knowledge. Google's free certifications are there. These cover the fundamentals of digital marketing, including social media marketing strategy. Also, if you're interested to start a career in digital marketing, you can check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in digital marketing in partnership with Purdue University. This course provides a robust and industry relevant curriculum to help you become a certified digital marketing expert. The program covers essential digital marketing components like SEO, SEM, social media marketing, mobile marketing, chat GPT, and many more. You'll gain hands-on experience through live interactive learning, Stukent Digital Marketing Simulation, case studies, and a Meta-certified digital marketing exam, voucher, and a Hootsuite certified professional credential, validating your expertise. So hurry up and enroll now and find the course link in the description box and in the pinned comments. Now let's talk about how can you build your portfolio. A strong portfolio can set you apart even if you're new to this field. Here's how you can create one. You can showcase your work, start with mock projects, create a content calendar, social media campaign for hypothetical brand. For example, design a long week campaign for a fictional coffee shop that includes daily Instagram posts, stories, and like hashtag morning brew. You can use a personal account as practice grounds, experiment with growing or following and creating engaging posts. You can also offer free services. You can also focus on results. So these are all the steps you can use to build a portfolio. Now let's talk about the third step, which is you need to now look for an entry level roles. When starting, you don't need to jump straight into the manager position. You can begin your entry level roles where you can learn and grow. Start with searching job titles and search for social media coordinator, assist with scheduling and basic content creation. You can also search for marketing assistant, which will support the overall marketing team, including social media tasks. Third one is digital content producer, where you can focus on creating visual or written content for social platforms. If you land a job as a marketing assistant, you might work on writing caption, assist with graphic designing, and compiling analytics reports. These tasks build your skills and prepare you for more responsibility. You can also find jobs on LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, check company websites directly, especially for startup and small businesses. Now let's talk about the fourth step, which is polishing your resume. Your resume is your ticket to landing interviews, and here's how you can make it out. At first, you have to highlight achievements with metrics. Second is use keywords from job description. And the third one is keeping it simple and professional. Avoid overloading your resume with visuals. Instead, focus on making it easy to read and professional. Now let's talk about the fifth step, which is network and stay updated. Social media management is a dynamic field that's constantly evolving. Networking and continuous learning will help you stay ahead. Attend digital marketing events, look for webinars, workshops, in-person events in your areas. Follow industry leaders, stay ahead of following social media experts like so many experts are there. You can learn from their strategies and adapt them for your work. You can also join online communities. Platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn Group for digital marketers are excellent places to discuss trends, share knowledge, and find job opportunities. Now let's talk about how can you write a winning resume. Your resume is your first impression you can make. Here's how you can craft it. You can highlight metrics. For example, mention increased Instagram engagement by 40%. You can have certifications, which can include relevant ones like Google's social media certification or HubSpot marketing certification. You can also tailor your resume. You can use keywords from the job description, and you can also keep it simple, avoid cluttered decision. A clean professional layout is more effective. So, talking about whether certifications are really important or not, it's not mandatory, but certifications showcase your expertise and commitment. Free courses from Google Meta are highly valuable. Also, you can check Simplilearn's course as well. Talking about the job outlook and growth opportunities, social media is booming. In India, ad spend on social media platforms is growing at 3.8% annually. And in US, companies invest heavily in digital strategies. With businesses increasingly focusing on online presence, the demand for social media managers is only set to rise. So you can start by honing your skills and build a portfolio and apply to entry-level roles. Remember, the journey begins with a single step. So take that step today. So that's an end for our video on how to become a social media manager in 2025. If you really like this video, do hit the notification bell and subscribe for more videos by Simplilearn. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.